Missing incoming calls on Facebook Messenger on your Android phone? Don't worry, it's usually a small setting causing the problem. It could be a notifications, internet, or something else on your phone. In this guide, I'll show you the simple steps to fix it and get your Messenger calls ringing again on Android. Before you start, turn off battery saver option. Turn off do not disturb. Turn off silent mode. Solution 1. Ensure notifications are enabled on Messenger. Open the Messenger app on your Android device. Tap the three line. Tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Notification and Sounds. Ensure that the notification sound toggle is turned on. Scroll down to the ringtone. Select a different ringtone and make sure the ringtone and vibration options are enabled. Solution 2. Check System Notification Settings. Open Settings on your Android device. Tap Sound and Vibration. Select Sounds from here. Go back. Tap Notifications. Tap App Notifications. Find Messenger apps. Select Allow Sounds and Vibrations. After that, restart your Android device. Solution 3. Update or reinstall Messenger. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Messenger and check for updates. If no updates are available, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to resolve any potential software glitches. Additional notes: make sure your device's volume is turned up and that you're not in silent mode. Regularly check if Messenger has permission to access your microphone and camera for calls. Just follow these steps and the problem with Messenger calls not ringing on your Android should be fixed. If you need more help or have any other questions, feel free to comment below.